Hello, my lovely, lovely, lovely foodies. How are you all doing this beautiful Sunday morning? Once again, let me bring to you the beautiful adventure that I experienced recently on my trip to Thailand. So, in this video, there is some cooking going on. Some lovely and artistic Thai street food being prepared nowhere else but at the Wat Pho Temple. This happened to coincide with the anniversary celebration of the Thai monarch. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the Wat Pho Temple. It is one of Thailand's oldest and most revered temple, not only famous for its majestic reclining Buddha. And if I tell you that this reclining Buddha is huge, believe you me, it's huge because I saw it with my own eyes. Anyway, this Wat Pho Temple also has very, very deep ties to Thai culture and its history, and it is located in Bangkok, right not far from the city center or central Bangkok. Let me put it that way. So this Wat Pho Temple happens to be where the Dalai Lama, however it's pronounced. Oh, I need to practice before I can get this right, because I think that is where he is based. And I happen to have seen pictures of the guest that he has been fortunate. Well, would I say fortunate? Now, guests that have actually visited him, and I'm talking about presidents and, world leaders. World leaders. I mean, every world leader who has visited Thailand has had the opportunity to meet with the Dalai Lama. So that is how important this man is as far as Thai culture is concerned. So this Wat Pho Temple is also the center of spiritual learning of traditional Thai medicine and Thai massage. Yes, it is, because I saw it with my own eyes. So every year, the Wat Pho Temple becomes a focal point for the celebration and the anniversary of the monarch. And on this occasion, this entertainment and the glaze and glam and the food and everything you are seeing there was in conjunction with the anniversary celebration of the Thai monarch. You get to see all these beautiful and lovely and delicious food. I mean, countless food. So this is right, and I'm talking about right inside the temple, nowhere else, but right inside the temple. So you get to pay about, I think it was about 300 Thai currency to go in and see the whole temple. And it is huge, it is massive, it is also beautiful, and I am sure they make a lot of money from the number of tourists that come there to visit the place. Not just that, but to also get to eat all these delicious Thai food and take pictures and do all sorts. So if you are ever in Thailand, or if you're ever planning a visit to Thailand, make sure you have the Wat Pho Temple on your to-do list.